If you look at Malaysia's growth prospects, you find that Malaysia has been underperforming for a very long time. This underperformance is partly due to the fact that we have so much resources, both natural as well as human resources, our human capitals. Now, if you look at Malaysia's ability to grow, our potential growth rate is easily 4 to 5%, but that can be further enhanced if we increase investor confidence, and because of the fact that we have adequate savings, both corporate as well as individual savings, if we can translate these savings into productive investment, then we will be able to sustain a higher level of growth. So all these have now come into a point, a convergence of these so-called favorable conditions. So Malaysia now is, in a way, profiting from both deleveraging as well as importantly, a lot of multinationals are now trying to diversify their risk away from the geopolitical risk between China and US. So that spillovers, Malaysia is able to capture some of it. So we are seeing a large expansion by existing multinationals as well as new investors coming into Malaysia.
And I think also because for us to be in this position today, we must have done something 30 years ago. Like, I want to say you can't just move for a single factory here. Because there are so many codependencies, right, in that part of the supply chain. And I think Malaysia, since the 80s or 70s where we started, I'll say electronics manufacturing, I won't say semiconductor yet, right? But, we've built up that skill level as well. Industries around that, like packaging, logistics, it's not just about the product, right? And we've continued to develop that, right? We should be very proud of. We have some good Malaysian-made companies that actually do supply to guys like Nvidia and things like that. And that was not possible if we didn't start 30 years ago. So we already had that base, and I think it made sense for these multinationals, like what Dr. Ye is saying, to rebase and put them here, right? Hey guys, thank you so much for watching Borak Bursa. If you enjoyed what you saw, check out our full episodes in our link in bio.